Hi everyone, welcome back. Long time we were dealing with the functions inside this module, which is operations on arrays, and today we are finishing this module and we are gonna switch to a new one, which I already chose. It's gonna be CUDA-accelerated Computer Vision module. And here we are gonna continue by one by again, and we are gonna learn all the functions inside these parts. And before starting, maybe I need to remind again, if you are not yet installed OPENCV compatible with CUDA, or you didn't install even CUDA, you cannot use the functions inside these parts. So this is important. Before starting, you need to install them accordingly, properly. And you can check in my YouTube channel, and in there are a couple of videos how to install these things. You can continue on those videos and you can install them, come back again. Otherwise, you are not gonna able to try these functions in your local. Okay. And I'm gonna continue with the core part and simple function. I'm gonna start for this video, simple but important functions. And for example, in here we are gonna learn these functions. This one I'm gonna start, and this one and this one. These are the simple one, but the important one, even in the source code I can show you. OpenCV always use this function because it's gonna give you some information important. For example, there are very good explanation in here. It says if OpenCV is compiled without CUDA support, it's gonna return 0. This function is gonna return 0. So if it returns 0, you can easily understand, okay, I already installed CUDA properly, but it's just not compiled well with OpenCV. So all you need to do is just recompiling OpenCV with CUDA support, and it's gonna return you the number of devices accordingly. But if it returns -1, it can have a couple of reasons. The first option, maybe CUDA driver is not installed. The most common case is this one. You didn't install CUDA yet. So other reasons, you installed CUDA but it's not compatible with your GPU, or kind of reasons can occur accordingly. Even if you don't have GPU, in some cases it's gonna return you -1 also. And this is important. In normal cases, it's just gonna return you the device number which is enabled with CUDA. And yeah, for example, in my machine I only have one GPU. It's gonna return me 1, I'm expecting. Okay. And these two print functions is just gonna give me the information of my GPU and CUDA information. The first one is detailed explanation, and the second one is just a short explanation. We can switch to the code part and see the easily. And before starting, even I don't need this library, but in your case, if you do not use this header, you need to use this one. But if you use this one, you don't need this one. So this is also in some part for compiling or some executing issues is important. So I just wanted to mention. Okay, so we can just call the first function, which is gonna be the getCudaEnabledDeviceCount. And since this is gonna give me integer output, I need to see that in the console. Okay, I can run the code and see the result. I'm expecting 1, as I said, because I only have one CUDA enabled device in my machine. One GPU I only have. Okay. The second one I'm gonna use, but this is, I don't need to write to console because it's already gonna write me, which is CUDA print. Let's start with the detailed information. Since I only have one device, let's make index 0. And so in here there are detailed explanation about the memory of my GPU and kind of speed, clock speed, and kind of detailed explanation I can see in here. We can also check how these things coming. We can continue in here, and all I need to do is maybe we can search in the module side, in the core side, and here I can search what was the name of CUDA info, I think. Yeah, in here you can reach to the functions print CUDA device info. For example, this is the detailed explanation how they are getting the information. You can also go into these functions if you are interested. You can also check accordingly. Also, this short CUDA device info also we are gonna try now. This is also in here. Yeah, I just wanted to show. Also, maybe I can show, as I mentioned at the beginning, you see this getCudaEnabledDeviceCount is used mostly before starting to use any functions. You see, right? Because this is important. It's always checking this CUDA-enabled-device-count at the beginning. Okay. Also, I want to write, cv CUDA and print short CUDA device information. This is gonna give me a one line information. Maybe I can comment this out. And okay, so this is just basic information. It's just giving me the my brand of GPU and the global memory size, and kind of information is giving me the architecture version and some other version is giving me, and it's done. But for the detail, you can check this. These are the basic functions for the starting to this module. These are the important functions to learn, and so I just wanted to mention as a starting video for this module. I just wanted to check these functions before starting. For the next video, we can continue with the other functions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.